Best careers that are safe from AI automation by AliAzizQualityEducation.
AliAziz Quality Education channel providing you the job best interview related videos, so don't forget the subscription button.
Artificial intelligence is transforming the job market, and many people are worried about job security. While some jobs are at risk, there are many careers that are safe from AI automation because they require human skills that machines cannot easily replace. Let's explore the best careers that are likely to remain secure in the AI era. What makes a job safe from AI? Jobs that are safer from AI usually require human interaction, creativity, emotional intelligence, complex decision-making, physical or hands-on work. AI struggles to fully replace these abilities. 1. Healthcare professionals. Careers in healthcare are highly secure. Examples: doctors, nurses, physiotherapists. These roles require human judgment, patient care, emotional understanding. AI can assist, but not replace human care. 2. Engineers, especially skilled and field engineers. Engineering roles that involve problem solving, fieldwork, system design, are less likely to be replaced. Examples: mechanical engineers, aircraft maintenance engineers, civil engineers. AI can support design, but real-world decisions need humans. 3. Teachers and educators. Teaching requires communication, motivation, understanding student needs. AI can help with content, but cannot replace human teaching experience. 4. Skilled trades and technicians. Hands-on jobs are difficult for AI to replace. Examples: electricians, plumbers, mechanics, aircraft technicians. These jobs require physical work and real-time problem solving. 5. Management and leadership roles. Leaders make decisions, manage teams, and handle complex situations. Examples: project managers, business managers, team leaders. AI can provide data, but leadership requires human judgment. 6. Creative professionals. Creative work is still a strong human advantage. Examples: graphic designers, content creators, writers, video editors. AI can assist, but original creativity and storytelling remain human strengths. 7. Legal professionals. Lawyers and legal advisors deal with complex cases, ethical decisions, human judgment. AI can help with research, but not replace legal reasoning. 8. Psychologists and counselors. Mental health professionals rely on emotional intelligence, deep human connection, trust and empathy. These are areas where AI cannot fully replace humans. 9. Sales and client relationship roles. Jobs that require negotiation, relationship building, understanding customer needs, are safer from automation. Examples: sales managers, business development executives. 10. AI and technology specialists. The safest careers are often those working with AI. Examples: AI engineers, data scientists, software developers. These roles are growing rapidly and have strong future demand. How to make your career AI safe. To stay secure in the future. White heavy checkmark learn new skills continuously. White heavy checkmark develop communication and people skills. White heavy checkmark focus on problem solving. White heavy checkmark use AI tools instead of avoiding them. White heavy checkmark stay updated with industry trends. Conclusion. AI will change many jobs, but it will not replace everything. Careers that require human intelligence, creativity, and interaction will remain strong. The key is to adapt, learn, and grow with technology.